Hello everyone, you welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend on where you dey watch this my video from. Okay, my people, one of our big brother don't come outside, come review, come talk about wetin dey really dey happen for Nigeria. I say only me no go see this video alone. I need to share with my people. Anyway, my people, if you never subscribe to this channel, wetin you dey wait for? Make you subscribe, like and share this video. At this junction, my people, I go leave una make una watch this video.
Salaam alaikum mutanen Nigeria. I am international aboki. I am concerned about what is happening in Nigeria. Kuma, I am passionate about this. Therefore, I want to ask every Nigerian this question that is begging for an answer. I am asking every Nigerian, including those in power, what is the offense of the Igbo? Menene laifin Inyamurai? What is the offense? What has the Igbos done? What is the offense that every tribe is talking against Igbo? Yorubas are speaking against Igbo. My brothers and Northerners are all talking against Igbo. Therefore, I am concerned as a Nigerian. Half Hausa, half Igbo. Yes, I am half Hausa, half Igbo. Mama na Igbo. My father na Hausa. He was a soldier during the Biafra war. And he took my mother and went to Canada. And that was the place he got back to all of us. Therefore, I am concerned. Whatever is happening to Igbo is indirectly affecting my family. It's affecting every other person. Because the Igbo is the strength of this nation. Wallahi tallahi, there is nobody in Nigeria that is more Nigerian or more patriotic than the Igbo. Igbo are everywhere in Nigeria, developing everywhere. Igbo is in Kano. He come to Kano, he will buy land, build a house, have a shop. He will obey the law of the land. He will contribute for the development of the place. The same thing is what is happening in Lagos and everywhere. Abuja, Igbos develop everywhere in Abuja. What is the offense of the Igbo? After the war, we promise the Igbo will no back to no language. Let us stay together as one Nigeria. But the situation in Nigeria though is that Igbos are being terribly marginalized. The reason why the issue of Biafra came up again is because the Igbos are not respected. And they have made great contribution in Nigeria. They are the heart, the engine, that control Nigeria. Wallahi, without Igbo, Nigeria will scatter. Take Igbo away from Nigeria, there will be no Nigeria. It is only Igbo that make investment in other places. There is no Hausa, they have house in the east. There is no Yoruba, they have business or house in the east. Ama Igbo everywhere. Igbo is one Nigeria in attitude, in character. Ama everybody, all the tribe are hating Igbo for nothing. We are all envious of the Igbo. We are just envious of the Igbo. Because I didn't know why we will not apologize to Igbo. Gowon, Obasanjo, Buhari, you need to apologize to Igbo. Tell Igbo sorry. Beg Igbo not go. Because Igbo go, wallahi I will follow my oga, our war is. If Igbo go for Biafra, I will follow Igbo go Biafra. Without Igbo in Nigeria, there is no Nigeria. And what brought about this agitation for Biafra is because the Igbos are not given their right and their fair share in Nigeria. That is why they are crying and they are complaining, they are agitating for Biafra. Because they are right. You cannot put a child and tell a child not to cry. If Yaradua was still alive by now, Yaradua, good man, Yaradua, Wallahi would have apologized to Igbo. He would have appealed to the heart of the Igbo people and begged them not to go. Ama Buhari me taurenkai. Buhari is very stubborn. He will not hear. You kill Igbo every day. You interpret Igbo. You will not give them their share, their right. they will continue to agitate for Biafra. I am using this opportunity to appeal to every Nigeria. Appreciate Igbo. Celebrate Igbo. Because without Igbo, Nigeria will be scattered and there will be no Nigeria again. That is my advice.